perform. Our next piece is Sri Vignarajam Bhaje and is a soulful composition by Uttukadu Venkata Subbaiah, set in Raga Gambhira Nate and performed in Kanda Chaputam. This kriti is a heartfelt tribute to Lord Ganesha, known as the Vigna Raja, the remover of obstacles and the Lord of the beginning. The lyrics express deep devotion and reverence, invoking Ganesha's blessings for success. The raga's vibrant and energetic nature enhances the composition's celebratory spirit, making it a favorite, generally, performances. This piece serves as a beautiful invitation as well, and a sense of joy and devotion among listeners. This piece will be performed by Brevadish Balasubramanian, Haresh Karthik Saravanan, Jayaditya Milan Ramesh, Rakshan Srinivasan, Shankar Ganapati, Shashwat Hariharan, Shrikant Pailimani, Rishank Srinivasan. Thank you. want to give another round of applause, especially for the adults that we have in the group. Like I said, they really take their time to come show some interest and they want to learn, which is much appreciated. And our next piece is going to be Himagiri Tanaye, which is a beautiful composition by Harikeshanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar, set in Raga Shuddha Sanyasi and performed in Aditala. This composition praises Goddess Durga, referring to her as the daughter of the Himalaya, Himagiri. The lyrics expresses deep reverence for her divine attributes, emphasizing her strength, compassion, and protective nature. The song seeks the goddess's blessings and protection, acknowledging her as a powerful force in the lives of her devotees. By invoking her name, and the devotee expresses a longing for her grace and guidance in overcoming obstacles and challenges. This piece will be performed by Jayaditya Bhutan Ramesh, Rakshan Srinivasan, Shashwat Hariharan, and Rishant Srinivasan. Thank you.
Himagiri Tanaye Te Malate Himagiri Tanaye Te Malate Ambai Ishwari Shri Lalite Mahava Himagiri Tanaye Te Malate Ambai Puja
So the next song is Ragi Tandira. It is a devotional composition by Sri Purandara Dasa set in Raga Nadanama Kriya and performed in Adiganam. The song expresses a deep yearning for the divine, portraying the state of being in love with God. The lyrics convey a sense of emotional intensity, reflecting the devotee's longing for connection and union with the divine presence. Through heartfelt pleas and vivid imagery, the composition captures the essence of devotion and surrender, inviting listeners to experience the beauty of spiritual love and the joy of divine companionship. This piece will be performed by Darun Shankara Subramanian, Dishidan Karthik Kumar, Jayaditya Budan Ramesh, Kanishka Rajashekaran, Pranay Swaminathan, Rakshan Srinivasan, Shashwat Hariharan, Shrihan Komarugiri, Prashant Srinivasan, Yadid Jayaganraj. Thank you. Thank you so much. That was very delightful to listen to. We will now talk about the next song, which is Narayana Te Namo. It's a devotional composition by Sri Annamacharya, set in Rag Behar and performed in Aditalam. The song is a heartfelt salutation to Lord Vishnu, acknowledging him as the ultimate source of all existence. The lyrics express deep reverence and devotion, invoking the Lord's blessings and guidance. By repeatedly chanting Namo, which means salutation, the devotee seeks to cultivate a strong connection with the divine, emphasizing humility and surrender. The joyful and melodic essence of Behar enhances the song's spirit, making it a beloved piece in the realm of devotional music. This piece will be performed by Tarun Shankar Subramanian, Dishidan Kartik Kumar, Kanishkar Rajashekharan, Pranay Swaminathan, Srihan Komaragiri, Yati Jayaganaraj. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's give them another round of applause. We're gonna take a little break and kind of shift gears and do a raffle. When you guys walked in, some of you filled out your names. I think it was for the first 50 who came in. So we're going to do a raffle, and Hari Uncle here is going to pick 4. All right, our first winner is Ananya Kambak. If you want to come up on stage, we have a little gift for you. We have Ananya, or anybody from the family is fine. Do we have Ananya here yet? If not, we can give it to her later. Okay? Our next person is Sai Durga Marti. Do we have Sai Durga Marti? Alright, you can come on up because we have a gift card for you. Just to make it more exciting, it's a Starbucks gift card for those of you who love Starbucks. I think she's coming up. We'll draw the next person while we wait for her. Ooh, we have Uma Ananta. She's our 3rd winner. There she is. That's the excitement I'm looking for. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Our last but not the least. Okay, it's Anika Palusa. Where do we have Anika? Is that Anika?
Okay.
Anika, okay. Alright, come on. Nice job. Well, thank you everybody. That was just a little break. Yep, this is for coming early, so you know what to do next time when we have our Napadobo show up early. Now we're going to present our next song, and before that I'm going to explain a little bit about the structure. It will be a Swara Jati. Swara Jati in Carnatic music is a melodic composition that typically combines both swaras and sahitya. It is one of the early forms of learning for students, often serving as a bridge between simpler rhythms and more complex varnas. Swara Jatis are usually composed in a slow to medium tempo and are performed with a devotional or thematic focus. This composition consists of Pallavi, Anupallavi, and Charanam, and helps students develop a deeper understanding of rhythm, melody, and lyrical expression in Carnatic music. The song is going to be Samba Shivaya Nave. It's a devotional composition by Chinna Krishna Dasa, set in Raga Kaman and performed in Adidas. The song is a heartfelt plea to Lord Shiva, addressing him as Samba Shiva. The lyrics expresses devotion and reverence, invoking Lord's grace and protection. Through vivid imagery, the composition highlights the devotee's longing for Shiva's blessings and guidance in overcoming life's challenges. The melodic charm of Kamal adds an enriching layer to the piece and making it a cherished offering in devotional settings. This song is going to be performed by Akshaya Ganesan, Kavya Kartik Kumar, Mrigashri Badri, Vishal, Riya Iyer, Tripura Kanchibola. Thank you.
Manohara Kara Kara Kara
much, girls. You all look wonderful and sing wonderful. So now move on to our next song, Bandhuriji. It is a profound composition by Sri Tyagaraja, set in Ragam, Hamsanadam, and performed in Deshadi Talam. In this kriti, Tyagaraja pleads Lord Rama for the position of a god and his servant, symbolizing his desire to always be in the divine presence of Rama. In Anupallavi, he articulates that this God's role should empower him to vanquish the Arshit Varga. In Charanam, he expresses a longing to be blessed with the emblem of Rama Bhakti and wield a sword named Ramanama to effectively perform his duties. The serene and the uplifting melody of Hamsanadam enhances the depth of devotion, making it a cherished piece in the realm of Carnatic music. This piece will be performed by Akshaya Ganeshan, Kavya Karthik Kumar, Mridangshi Badri Vishal, Riya Iyer, Tripura Kanchigosa.
Our next song is going to be a Varnam. A Varnam is a foundational composition in Carnatic music known for its rich combination of melody and rhythm. It serves as a critical learning piece for students and is often used to showcase a musician's command over a raga. Varnams are typically divided into three main sections: Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanam. With additional variations, something is called as Chittaswaram, like swaras without lyrics. They emphasize both the lyrical and rhythmic aspects of the raga. Varnams are key in developing technical skills like speed and precision, while also deepening the musician's understanding of the raga. Valachi, the Navaraga Malika Varnam by Ratnam Subramanya Iyer, is set in Raga Malika, a collection of 9 ragas, and performed in Aditalam. The 9 ragas used in this Varnam are Kedaram, Shankarabharanam, Kalyani, Begada, Kamboji, Yadukula Kamboji, Tilahari, Mohanam and Shriragam. Each raga brings its own mood and flavor, providing a wide range of melodic expressions. The heartfelt expression of devotion is underscored by the rich melody. This piece will be rendered by Abhirami Tyagarajan and Sharanya. Our next song is Kanjagalaya Dakshi. Kanjagalaya Dakshi is a devotional composition by Sri Muthuswami Dikshithar, set in the raga Kamala Manohari and performed in Aditalam. The song praises Goddess Kamakshi, highlighting her beautiful lotus-like eyes and majestic presence, while expressing deep reverence for her protective nature and ability to dispel difficulties. Dikshithar vividly describes her radiant beauty, adorned throne, and divine qualities, ultimately portraying her as the source of bliss and prosperity for her devotees. This piece will be performed by Abhirami Tyagarajan and Sharanyanam.
Thank you. ಶೃಂಗಾರಾಗ್ರ ತದಿತರಜನೆ ಕುತ್ಸನ ಪರ ಸರೋಷ ಗಂಗಾ ಗಿರೀಶ ಚರಿತೆ ವಿಸ್ಮಯವತಿ ಹರಾಹಿದ್ಯೋ ದೀಪ ಸವಸಿರುಹ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಜನನಿ ಸಖೀಶೋ ಸ್ಮೇರಾತೆ ಮಾಯಿ ಜನನಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸಕರುಣಾ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಗಂಜನಾಯ ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಗಂಜನಾಯ ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕಮಲಾ ಮನೋಹರಿ ಕಮಲಾ ಮನೋಹರಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕಮಲಾ ಮನೋಹರಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ಮಂಜುಳ ಚರಣೆ ಕುಂದರದಮನೆ ಮಣಿಮಂಡಿತ ಮಂಜುಳ ಚರಣೆ ಕುಂದರದಮನೆ ಮಣಿಮಂಡಿತ ಮಂಜುಳ ಚರಣೆ ಕುಂದರದಮನೆ ಮಣಿಮಂಡಿತ ಮಂಜುಳ ಚರಣೆ ಕುಂದರದಮನೆ ಮಣಿಮಂಡಿತ ಮಂಜುಳ ಚರಣೆ ಗುರು ಗುರು ಗಂಗನಿ ಗುರಿತ ಗಂಗನಿ ಗುರಂಗನಿ ಕಂಜದರಾಜದಾರಿ ಕುಂಜರಮನೆ ಮಣಿಮೈಲಿಕ ಮಂಜುಳ ಚರಣೆ ಮಾಮಗ ಶಿವ ಪಂಜಲ ಶುಭಿ ಪಂಕಜನಿ ಗುರು ಗುರು ಗಂಗನಿ ಗುರಿತ ಗಂಗನಿ ಗುರಂಗನಿ ಸುರಸನೆ ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತಿನಿ ಮಗನೆ ಸುರಸನೆ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಮಂದಹಸನೆ ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತಿನಿ ಮಗನೆ ಸುರಸನೆ ಶಂಕರಿತಾ ಸಾಂಗದ ಮದ ಮದ ನಿರತ ಮದ ಕಮಲ ಮನೋಹರಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರ